This is a must-have accessory for any YouTuber, any content creator, anybody that has a desk setup. Now this is a product you should have on your desk. This is the amazing new digital clock from Alanzi, and it can display not only your subscribers that you've got on YouTube at the moment. We've just currently hit 8,770, which is brilliant. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We've definitely going to get up to 10k before March next year, which is brilliant. So I appreciate all of you that watch these videos and give it a like. It really does help. So Alanzi have kindly sent me this to test out as like a product tester. This is available now on their website. It's $49.99 in the US, similar in pounds I do believe, but it's just a really cool product and it just looks sick on a desk. Now it doesn't just display your subscribers, you can have other things like here. So we've got some buttons on the top. Now it actually can act as a digital scoreboard, so if you're a basketball player or something, you can play basketball against your friends and you can keep score on this. That's a really neat feature. You've got this feature which is a timer. You can press the timer to start and stop just like that, so we can have a timer running if we want to. So if you're doing a live stream, you could have this digital timer to the left or right of you and time your live stream or something like that. It's a good feature, and we can press stop. Then all we have to do is hold down the power button at the top there and it resets it. It also displays the battery. So this has a built-in 4,400 milliamp battery, which lasts about 5 hours. If you want it on all the time, it's powered by USB-C on the back there, which is brilliant. I've just got it on my desk plugged in all the time underneath my monitor. So you can check the battery there anyway. You can also have this matrix effect, which looks sick on your desk. So you've got that effect there as well. So it can just play this image through the different LEDs that it's got on this. We've got the time, which is the current time here at the moment in the UK. You can have that displaying and running. And then you've got the date. And then you've got the pressures. You can have the pressure and the weather. We haven't actually got that set up yet, but you can actually have like the conditions that are in your area at the moment as well. So we can get the weather on there. And then we're back to subscribers. Setting it up is pretty easy actually. You connect to the network, which is it's under uClock on your phone, and then it comes with an IP address which is displayed when you first turn the device on. You go onto the internet on your phone to that IP address, and then you can just simply go into the settings and change what you want to change on here. The great thing about the iPhone is that if you type in 192, which is the IP address that it starts off with, you can actually go onto that ULANZI clock. It saves it within your settings. You don't have to keep on inputting that code. So you can go back into the settings here. I'll show you on the screen so you can see what you can change. The language, brightness, you can change the night brightness. So it's got an actual light sensor on the top of here as well. So it does dim when you're in darker conditions automatically. You can change the way that it scrolls. I didn't want it to scroll. I just wanted to display my YouTuber subscriber base all the time, so you can change that, but you can have it so it scrolls through the different formats. You press next and then you've got all the different things you can add. So you can add the time on there like I showed you, the date, the weather, and then you've got Weibo, which is, I know, the sort of the Chinese version of TikTok, or is it a Chinese version of Twitter, something like that. And then the YouTube fans, which is the one I'm going to be having on there. Then we've got scoreboard, which I'm not going to use a hell of a lot because I'm just using it for this, so you can switch it on and off if you want to. Then you've got the chronograph, which is the pressure. You've got tomato clock, you've also got battery power, then you can have the matrix, and then there's something called Autrix simulator, which you can turn on and off as well. And you can actually switch on and off for it to show the IP address of the actual U clock. So you can go in and switch these different settings and change this, customize it to your heart's content, and then just make sure you press save, and then you've got the actual settings saved on your clock. So it is really easy to use, and again, it's just something that looks really cool on your desk, and that's primarily the reason I've got it, because it just looks cool. If you're somebody that likes doing desk setups and you are showing it off on your videos or Instagram or whatever, and this is a really unusual bit of tech that not many people are going to have their hands on. So if you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below. I'm testing this over the next few weeks and months. If there's any other tips and tricks I can give you going forward, I will keep you updated. So make sure you do subscribe, press the bell, so you don't miss any uploads. So it's simple. It does what it says on the tin. It's made of a nice plastic. It's got a USB-C port on the back there. The LEDs are nice and bright and clear. It's just a cool product. It's not too big either. It's quite slim and compact, but it's just awesome. Okay, but that's it for this one. Check them out in the link in the description. I hope you've all had a good Christmas and happy holidays. We've got a couple more videos, I think, before the New Year's. So yeah, so stay tuned for those. I'll see you on the next one though, guys. Bye. you.